Hi, these are the trades that I make daily, and these should not be considered as a financial advice.
Today it's a Thanksgiving day, and I thought I'll give the portfolio update. So I invested again $1,000. So in total, I put around $1,500 to this account, and currently the account is valued at 1848.53. And currently I hold two Tesla calendar spreads. One is call calendar spread and one is put calendar spread, and both the spreads have two. So my buying power is 483, and I have put like 195 call calendar spread. I bought it for 330. Currently it's 392. So I have two. So the total profit right now it's showing is 124, and the expiry is sell expiry is on December 2, and the buy expiry is on December 16th. Similarly, on the put side, I have 162.5 strike price, and the sell expiry December 2 has the same calendar spread, that whatever it is for the call, and currently it's on a loss of 106. So overall I am on a profit like $18. Hopefully I can close it on Friday with a profit. And because yesterday Tesla had a good ride, that's the reason I see so many profits here. And I had two naked calls yesterday. Yeah, if you see the two calls yesterday, yeah, I closed at $830. Oh, sorry, $860. Two, so I got a profit of one. So prior to that, I was on a loss, and all made up because of Tesla run yesterday. And now I'm on a profit of 340. Overall profit is 348.53.